Shall we begin? Let's begin now.
Good morning, my loves. So Poetic Angel, and I'm back with another review for you. And I have been under the weather because if you know me, you know I suffer from migraines. So sometimes I get them. They last for like 5 days and they're not fun. Okay, a headache is a headache. A migraine is something totally different. Okay, so yeah, so sorry if I've been away. I have a unit that I want to review for you. This is from a store on Amazon and it's called SKL store, and this is their 10-inch U-part human hair straight wig. It is a bob style. It does have a side part U-part clip-in. I don't know, I'll see. The color is natural. The density is 150. The hair texture is the Brazilian texture. The cap size will fit any average head. And you can bleach this hair and dye this hair. It does not have any lice, so no lice, no smell, no tangles. So this is how the hair came. And inside this bag, if I can figure out how to open it. So you're gonna get a silky drawstring bag with the product, and I believe, is that their logo on the front? Yes, so the logo of the store is on the front of the bag. And let's go ahead and open this up. This smells so good. So this is the product. Inside the bag, actually on the actual bag, you will see 10 inches. And it's a little Ziploc bag that they send the product in. And you are going to receive a free stocking cap with this hair. And they sent you and you also receive these beautiful lashes with this product, and it does have a little compact, so it's kind of like a mirror on the inside, and then you have your lashes. And this is the actual hair. So let me get all this stuff out and I will show you this hair. So let's just take a look at this for a second, because I have a mannequin head. I'm not gonna actually do a review on this because I don't have time for all that right there, but I just wanted to show you this hair. It is really soft. The hair does not smell at all. It is really pretty, and it's open because it does have an area for you to actually put your natural hair through that spot. And on the inside of this wig, you are going to receive a comb in the back. You are going to receive it, adjustable straps, and you get 2 small combs in the front, and then you get these clip-ins, so they snap in place once you put the wig on. So I'm going to put it on the mannequin's head right now, so you'll see what I'm talking about when I say a U part. So my opinion on this is I don't understand the concept. If someone does, please comment, let me know, because I'm just so used to a full wig. But this is something for someone who, you know, they want to spend time to go ahead and pull their hair out. You know, I don't know, not everybody have like refined straight hair. Some people have really thick curly hair, so I don't think you want to pull that out on this wig and then have the rest of the wig looking like this, if you get my drift. So definitely, I just wanted to show you this wig. and how it looks, and the actual store on Amazon where you can find this if it's something that you are interested in. I'm gonna definitely leave the link down below where you can find this product. And I mean, this works for some people, you know what I mean, like they know how to hook that up, you know. But for me personally, I like my full wigs. I don't have time for this, I really don't. But anyways, I'm gonna leave their actual store in the description box for you to check out this hair. And if I left anything out, please feel free to email me. My phone number is also in the actual description box. Any information will be down below if you need to reach me on this unit. Again, the store is from Amazon, and it is called SKL store, and this is their 10-inch U-part human hair straight bob wig, and that's what she looks like. Really nice density. The hair is really soft, don't get me wrong, it's really beautiful, but for me, I don't do the cutout type thing, you know, where the hair comes out and all that. I just prefer a full wig. So yeah, that's just me. All right, so next product that I have to share with you, and this again is from Amazon. Now, I have no idea. I'm gonna try to pronounce the name of the store, but if not, it will be in the description box. You can find them there. Go straight to their store and shop and buy whatever you want to buy. But I think these locks are really cool. I've been doing like a lot of faux locks and, you know, goddess locks, soft locks, but I thought these were really pretty, and I wanted to show them to you and to let you know that they are under $40. So this is from a store called ALIACHOOS store. ALIACHOOS, I'll put it in the description box. I don't name the stores because if I did, it would be much simpler, okay? So this is their 6 packs of Boho Goddess Locks crochet hair. Faux locks, they are pre-looped, and these are deep, wavy with curly ends. I have them in the length 12 inches, and I have the color 27-6-13. It's supposed to be 20 strands in each pack, and I'll count them to make sure. It's easy to install, super soft, tangle free, no smell, and the hair is very lightweight. Now, I get email a lot. Why do I do so many show and tell on these products? Because I do hair. So I braid hair, I install hair, I do locks. So when I go on Amazon, I like to just browse and see who's got what and what, you know, the deal is. So then I come back here and I show them to you. I don't know if that helps a lot because I'm not the only one who shop on Amazon. So I just try to do my part. This is how the hair comes. And again, there's 6 packs, 12 on each, 12 strands on each pack. So let me go ahead and open this up. They did send a crochet needle with this hair, and let me see what else is inside. I think I just shut this thing and I don't know how to open it, so I'm gonna have to rip it open. I'm gonna have to rip it. Okay, so you get a crochet needle with this product, and they did send some little hair jewelry as well. I'm gonna take out one pack and I'm gonna open it up so you'll see. They are 12 inches long. Isn't that pretty? I should have gotten the longer length, but I'm doing somebody's hair and I'm gonna use this length. So let's open this up. Okay, so this is the hair. First of all, let me just do a skin test. Borderline, what's the word I'm looking for? not coarse I want to say, but that yaki texture, and it's soft at the same time. So but it's not bad. So yeah, this is it close up. This color is so pretty. Like, I seriously, now that I'm looking at it, I should have gotten the longer length, but whatever, I already paid for it. So let's count to make sure it's 20. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So they are actually true to their words. 20 strands, and I'm just still pissed off because I should have gotten the longer length, because this is really pretty. Like, I mean, it's so beautiful if you see this in person. But yeah, so this is the hair, and again, I will leave all the info for this store in the description box for you, so you can definitely get on Amazon and check them out. I wish I was doing my clients here today so I could, you know, put the pictures with this video so you'll see how it turned out. But I can guarantee you that it's going to be beautiful. Yes, indeed, it's going to be beautiful. So I'll probably do an update or something. But yeah, so this is all I have for you for today. Again, I will leave everything down below for you. If you are new to my channel, I just want to say welcome. And thank you so much for subscribing. Now, to all my subscribers, you already know, I thank you for taking the time to watch my videos, because I truly do appreciate you. And I just want to say, if you have not yet subscribed, there's a little gray box in the lower corner. Go ahead and click that. Show me some love. All right. Like and share this video so everybody else can get the information that I just shared. And yeah, so I'll go ahead and get prepared for the next shipment that's coming in, and you will be seeing more videos from me. So do not leave, do not go anywhere, do not abandon me. So until my next show and tell or hair review, I just want to say, please take care of yourself and your family. Please be safe, put God first, keep a clean heart, and just know that I truly do love you and appreciate you. Poetic Angel, and I'm out. One love. Mwah.